Now let's get a bit deeper into the VBA window. You might recall when we recorded a macro earlier and then I showed you how to go in and make edits to that macro, we saw inside of our Project Explorer there was a little folder down here. Remember what it was called? Module. When you record macros, Excel writes down all the code and it stores that code inside of your project within an element, an object, called the module. Well, before we can write any code, we need to create a module. And all a module is, it's a nice big fancy name for the place where you're going to store your VBA code. And this is really simple to do. Take a look. I need to create a module because I want to write my own VBA code. Well, I'm going to go up to my Insert menu, top of my screen. Got a few options in here, and I'm going to insert a module. Now you'll notice that there's module, and then there's what's called class module. We want to make sure for our purposes right now, we're selecting module. Class module, it's a much bigger topic. We could spend all day talking about those, but for right now, module. I'm going to go ahead and select module. You'll notice that I now have a new folder in there automatically created for me, and I got a single module in there. It also opened that module up for me. So this big white area here with these two little drop downs at the top, this is my module. And this is where I'm going to start to write and store my VBA code. So that's step one. And that's the first really big key concept here. Where are you going to store your VBA code inside of Excel? Well, you store them in your project, but specifically, we store them inside of what are called modules. Insert module.